Welcome back, guys, to the first Redstone Fergie Row tutorial. Today we're going to actually start with something very simple, get straight to the tutorial real quick. Just want to say we are doing the infinite repeater, so if there's an item or something in, say, a chest or even a hot dropper or dispenser, it will sense that and then infinitely dispense if there's an item in that dropper or dispenser. So let's get over here to this little thing I made. So you're going to want to start with a 3x3. You don't have to, you can use any of these blocks. I'm just going to start with those blocks so you can count them out. And then you have that one block at the bottom. So again, it's one block. Yep. So three there, and then that one. First thing we're going to grab is a dispenser, and you can use a dispenser or a dropper. Depends on what you're trying to use it for, but I'm going to use a dropper in the situation. So you can put a dropper, you can put a dispenser there, or a dropper. So you're going to put a dropper right there, and it wants to be facing out. So you're going to see that mouth facing towards you, and that's going to be away from the 3x3 square. And then behind that, you're going to take a comparator and a repeater, and you're going to put the comparator facing, sensing the dropper. So those two like redstone dots, and then you're going to put the repeater right there. And feel free to pause this, and then you're going to have that repeater facing that way. So make sure you have all of this facing correctly. Then you're going to take any block. It can be any block of your choice. I'm going to use white concrete because that's kind of a plain block, so I'm going to put that right there. And pretty much what's going to happen is if I take some hoppers, and you don't have to do this. You don't even have to do this from the side. You can do it from up above or whatever. And then I'm gonna I put soul sand. We'll make a little quick item elevator with water. Let's build a little cone around this. It's very hard to see this glass and this texture. So you're gonna build up that little tube. Wherever you want it to go. It could be an item sorter or your item system or whatever you're going to build. Or just some chests to hold some like farm items. Fill this all the way up with water, and it has to be solid water for the bubbles to work. And you can check if it's all working just by stepping in. If it bubbles you up, it's working. So it's pretty much all done. You don't have to build that for the infinite dispenser again. That's just to demonstrate what's happening. So say I have a sugarcane farm and all my items are going through this hopper and I want them to travel up. They're going to be sensed into the dropper and then shot right into the water flow, which is going to pull them right up. Now pretty much what's happening is the comparator sensing those items in the dropper, which goes into that repeater, which goes to the other repeater on the right into the solid block, which is next to the dropper, which powers the dropper through that block, which drops the items out of the dropper. That's pretty much it, and it's pretty fast. See, that's 64 up there. We can check right here. So in my inventory, we have 0 sugarcane. Step right here, perfect 64. So that all made it up the autumn water elevator. So that's pretty much all you need. Just like look again right there. Make sure all your repeaters are facing the correct way. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next Redstone tutorial video.